Buying an Outback is never a bad decision. It's practical, comfortable, capable, pretty much the ultimate wagon. But what if we tell you that it's about to become much more than that? Let's check 8 reasons why waiting for the 2026 Subaru Outback is a genius move. Number 8. New, bolder styling. For years, people have debated whether the Outback is a wagon or an SUV. The 2026 model finally leans decisively into SUV territory with a bolder, more angular design that makes a powerful statement on the road. The most dramatic change happens behind the C-pillar, where the traditionally rounded wagon lines give way to a more upright, boxier profile reminiscent of classic SUVs. Sharp edges replace soft curves, and the entire stance is more commanding. The front end features narrow, triple-beam headlights and an aggressive grille design that screams confidence. But Subaru hasn't abandoned practicality for style. The new design includes larger roof rails, more aggressive wheel designs, and integrated skid plates that improve approach angles, proving this isn't just about looks, but enhanced capability. If rugged aesthetics matter to you, the 2026 model delivers in ways the current generation simply can't match. This styling shift isn't merely following trends, it's Subaru acknowledging what Outback owners have been doing with their vehicles for decades. The aftermarket has long offered lift kits, brush guards, and rugged accessories for the Outback because owners push these vehicles far beyond paved roads. The 2026 model embraces this reality from the factory, coming ready for adventure straight from the dealer lot. Number 7. Hybrid is here. One of the biggest reasons to wait for the 2026 Outback is what's happening under the hood. For the first time ever, Subaru is bringing hybrid power to the Outback. It's built around Subaru's signature 2.5-liter Boxer engine, modified to work in the Atkinson cycle, producing 158 horsepower on its own. But the electric motor adds another 118 horsepower and an impressive 200 pound-per-foot of torque, bringing the combined output to a very capable 207 horsepower. The numbers that really matter? Around 40 miles per gallon combined. And with the Outback's generous 18.5-gallon tank, that translates to an astonishing 700-plus miles of range on a single tank. That's game-changing for a vehicle of this size and capability. Unlike many hybrid crossovers that compromise on off-road performance, the 2026 Outback Hybrid maintains Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system for uncompromised off-road capability. What makes this hybrid system particularly impressive is how Subaru engineered it specifically for Outback-style adventures. The electric motor's instant torque delivery actually improves low-speed off-road control, giving it better traction right when you need it most. The battery pack is carefully positioned to maintain cargo volume and ground clearance, and it's protected by the same underbody armor available on other trims. Number 6. Completely redesigned interior. Big changes are coming on the inside as well. The dashboard has been completely reimagined around 2 dominant features: a massive portrait-oriented touchscreen that controls virtually everything, and a fully digital instrument cluster that brings the Outback firmly into the modern era. But longtime Subaru fans shouldn't worry. Practicality remains the priority. The cabin still offers exceptional visibility thanks to generous glass areas, impressive passenger space in both rows, and thoughtful storage solutions throughout. The cargo area actually grows larger than the previous generation's already generous 33 cubic feet with seats up and 75 cubic feet with seats down, putting it ahead of most compact SUVs. The build quality is very good, with materials that feel substantial and durable, rather than luxurious for luxury's sake. Exactly what Outback owners expect and appreciate, a blend of Subaru's traditional values with modern technology and design. What's particularly impressive about the new interior is how Subaru has addressed feedback without compromising identity. Previous Outback interiors were functional, but sometimes criticized for feeling dated or utilitarian. The 2026 model elevates the experience with more contemporary design and materials, while maintaining the rugged, ready-for-anything character that defines the vehicle. The seating position has been optimized to provide even better visibility, and acoustic glass reduces road noise for a more refined experience on long drives. Number 5. Next-generation technology features. The portrait-oriented touchscreen doesn't just look impressive, it's designed to provide easier access to information while minimizing driver distraction. The fully digital instrument cluster is customizable to show exactly the information you prioritize, whether that's navigation, efficiency data, or off-road metrics. Subaru's commitment to safety technology also takes a major step forward, building on their already impressive eyesight system with enhanced capabilities and new features. The 2026 model introduces more sophisticated driver assistance features that make both daily commutes and long road trips less stressful and more enjoyable. The tech revolution isn't limited to screens either. The 2026 Outback introduces a host of behind-the-scenes technology that enhances the ownership experience. An improved smartphone app provides remote features like climate preconditioning, location tracking, and maintenance alerts. Over-the-air updates mean that the vehicle's capabilities can expand over time. The navigation system now incorporates trail data for off-road adventures and can function without cellular connectivity, perfect for the remote areas where Outbacks often find themselves. Number 4. Class-leading ride quality and handling. Subaru has always been famous for creating vehicles that handle confidently on the pavement while remaining capable off-road. But the 2026 Outback pushes these qualities even further. Despite standing tall with an impressive 8.7 inches of ground clearance or 9.3 inches in the Wilderness trim, the 2026 Outback delivers surprisingly engaging on-road dynamics. This seemingly impossible balance comes from Subaru's boxer engine design, which sits lower in the chassis for a reduced center of gravity. The suspension has been retuned to provide an even smoother ride over rough surfaces, while maintaining impressive composure in corners. The X-Mode system receives updates for even better traction control in challenging conditions, and the Wilderness trim takes things further with all-terrain tires and additional protective elements. What's most impressive is how the 2026 model makes these improvements without compromise. It's more comfortable on highways, more capable on trails, and more confident in adverse weather conditions. For anyone who values versatility in their vehicle, the 2026 Outback's chassis refinements alone make it worth the wait. Number 3. Increased cargo space and practicality. The more upright, SUV-like design of the 2026 Outback doesn't just change the aesthetics, it significantly improves functionality. The boxier rear profile allows for more vertical storage space, making it easier to load taller items. While Subaru hasn't released official cargo measurements yet, early reports suggest the new model will exceed the current generation's already impressive capacity. With the current model offering 33 cubic feet behind the second row and 75 cubic feet with seats unfolded, expectations are high for the 2026 model to push these numbers even further, putting it firmly ahead of most compact SUVs. The practicality improvements extend beyond just raw volume. The new Outback features more thoughtful storage solutions throughout the cabin, including expanded door pockets, configurable center console storage, and clever hidden compartments. Adventure-oriented trims come with washable seat materials and rubber floor mats that make cleanup after outdoor activities a breeze. Small but significant details like USB-C ports in all the right places and a configurable cargo system show that Subaru hasn't just created a prettier interior. They've created a more useful one that adapts to your lifestyle, whether that's family road trips or solo outdoor adventures. Number 2. Improved off-road capability. For outdoor enthusiasts, the 2026 Outback brings substantial improvements to its already impressive off-road credentials. Building on the success of the current Wilderness trim, the new generation expands off-road capability across the entire lineup. Even base models maintain the generous 8.7 inches of ground clearance, while improving approach and departure angles thanks to redesigned bumpers. The updated X-Mode system now offers more terrain-specific settings, optimizing throttle response, transmission behavior, and traction control for different conditions. The Wilderness trim ups the ante further with 9.3 inches of ground clearance, Subaru's most advanced off-road driving modes, and additional underbody protection. All-terrain tires come standard, and the suspension is specifically tuned for off-road performance without sacrificing on-road comfort. Perhaps most exciting for adventure seekers is how the new hybrid powertrain enhances off-road capability. The electric motor's instant torque delivery provides exceptional low-speed crawling power, while the improved fuel economy extends the vehicle's range for those truly remote destinations. For drivers who venture beyond the pavement, the 2026 Outback offers capabilities that few crossovers can match, regardless of price. Number 1. Most radical redesign. The 2026 Subaru Outback represents the most significant redesign in the model's 3-decade history. While Subaru typically takes an evolutionary approach with their redesigns, the 2026 model breaks this tradition with a revolutionary leap forward in design, technology, and capability. This isn't just about looks, it's about rethinking what the Outback can be. Every aspect has been reconsidered, from the chassis to the powertrain options, all in order to create the ultimate adventure vehicle. If you buy the current model, you'll be driving the final chapter of the Outback's previous design philosophy. If you wait, you'll be part of the model's new era. What makes this redesign particularly significant is how it positions the Outback in today's market. While other manufacturers are creating increasingly homogenized crossovers, Subaru has doubled down on the Outback's unique character while addressing its shortcomings. The 2026 redesign represents Subaru at its most confident, creating a vehicle that stands apart rather than blending in. If you're more of a Forester guy, you'll be happy to know that Subaru's compact SUV is also bringing important updates. Check out this video of the 2026 Subaru Forester solving customer complaints you can see on the screen now. It's about to get better than ever. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.